Hey foodies, welcome to CookingShooking. In this video, we are going to make a Hyderabadi recipe which is Paneer Majestic. This is absolutely sensational starter recipe, guys. If we dig through the roots, it is very similar to Paneer 65 or Chicken 65, but the taste is absolutely marvelous. So let's get cooking. Let's begin the recipe. The first step is to make the batter for the paneer. So here I have a mixing bowl. In this I am adding about half a cup of maida or plain flour. Along with that I am going to add half a cup of corn flour. In this we are going to add 3 to 4 tablespoons of dahi or yogurt. A little bit of salt as per taste along with some pepper. For the yellow color which Paneer Majestic is known for, you can use Haldi powder or yellow food color. Using Haldi powder can change the taste, that is the reason here I am using yellow food color. Now we are going to give it a mix and then make a batter. You can use water as required to make a smooth batter like this. So the batter looks ready and the color looks good. Now we are going to add the paneer strips to this. So here I have about 1.5 to 2 inches long paneer strips. I am now going to add them in and then give it a mix with the batter. Just like how Gobi 65 or Chicken 65 is known for its red color, Paneer Majestic or Chicken Majestic is known for its yellow color. Both are siblings, Now we are going to deep fry the paneer. So here I have some hot oil. I am going to add the paneer strips. We are going to deep fry them until they start going golden. This step won't take you more than 2 to 3 minutes if the oil is hot. So the paneer strips are fried and sometimes the paneer can stick to the bottom of the kadhai. Be careful with that and remove it immediately. I am going to keep them in a plate now. Similarly, I will deep fry rest of the paneer strips. So the paneer strips are ready for the Paneer Majestic. Now we are going to make the Majestic Coating of the Paneer Majestic, which is really creamy and flavorful. For that, here I have a Chinese kadhai, which is also known as a wok. I got it offline, guys. It is very difficult to find it online. Keep it in a very high flame. Once this goes hot, we are going to add 2 tablespoons of oil from the sides. The oil will get hot immediately. The oil is ready. I am going to add half a tablespoon of cumin seeds or jeera. That's right, cumin seeds and coriander are the key flavors in a majestic recipe. Quickly we are going to add 2 to 3 red chilies which are broken, 4 to 5 curry leaves and 4 tablespoons of garlic. Here I am using finely chopped garlic. Heavy on the garlic, guys. As the flame is very high, immediately start mixing it. We will cook it for 15 to 20 seconds. After that, we are going to add the capsicum to it. Along with that, here I have 3 green chilies which are slit and 1 small onion which is sliced. We are going to cook it for 1 minute now in medium to high flame. Now the second key ingredient goes in, which is coriander leaves. Here I have a handful of roughly chopped coriander leaves. Along with that, a handful of mint leaves, some salt and pepper. Be quick again, the flame needs to be high now and cook for a minute. As the coriander is the key flavor, I am adding some more of fresh coriander. Give it a mix and then we will add the MSG to it. I am using 2 pinches of MSG or Ajinomoto. In the dry spices, we are going to use half a teaspoon of coriander powder, half a teaspoon of red chili powder, and then here we have half a cup of dahi or yogurt, which is the life of a majestic. I mean, without dahi, this is impossible. In the dahi, I am adding 1 pinch of yellow food color and 1 teaspoon of corn flour. If you do not add corn flour, then the yogurt will split. Adding corn flour also helps us to make it extra creamy. Now give it a good mix and ensure there are no lumps in the dahi. Also, with the other hand, Remember to keep stirring and cooking the majestic tadka that we made. The tadka is also very well cooked. It looks delicious. Now we are going to mix them both together to make the majestic sauce. We have added corn flour in the yogurt and that will prevent splitting of yogurt, but you have to be careful. Continuously stir it and mix it for a minute in medium flame. Now that looks good. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of lemon juice and some more water to this. What I've done is I've added water to the same dahi bowl. Mix it well and your majestic sauce will be ready. And that looks good. I'm going to add the paneer strips now and give it a good mix. Turn off the flame and ensure all the paneer strips are well coated with the sauce. Sensational, isn't it? Time to serve. Before serving, I'm going to sprinkle a good handful of coriander leaves. This is just something else. You have to try it. Super soft and juicy paneer strips in a creamy sauce which is made of yogurt and Indian tadka is absolutely marvelous. This is a very simple yet masaledar and chatakedar recipe, so you should also try it. Once you do try, share with me how it goes for you. See you next time with one more delicious recipe. Make sure to follow me on Instagram at cooking.shooking for regular updates. Don't forget to subscribe on YouTube and ring the bell icon so that you don't miss out on any updates. Bye for now. Take care. Happy cooking.